We recommend our clients to come in with their eyebrows filled in the way they do their makeup daily so we can see what they're used to. After a consultation and figuring out what they're looking for, we do take off the makeup and clean the skin really well. Then we take a closer look at their eyebrows without any makeup on and see what we can do to improve it. Before we start tattooing, we have to measure the eyebrows with the client sitting up, looking straight. This is the best way to see any asymmetries and fix it before starting the tattoo. Then we pick the color that we're gonna be using. After we agree on the shape, all the extra hairs around it are getting cleaned up. And here you can see the final pre-draw. After client approved the shape that we created, we are ready to start the tattooing process. We start the tattooing without using the numbing cream. Our goal right now is to save the design that we created with the pencil and open up the skin for the numbing gel to be more effective. Most clients do not feel any discomfort or pain during this part of the procedure. All they feel is a little bit of scratching on the surface of the skin, which is very tolerable for most people. As you could probably see in the video, clients look comfortable. She is not in pain. There shouldn't be much of a discomfort, and also there shouldn't be any bleeding as long as the client follows the pre-care instructions. After we do the first pass, we apply a numbing gel and leave it on while we're working on the other eyebrow. We use a machine with a single needle to create the most soft, powdery ombre brow look. They heal extremely natural and undetectable. We do a little bit of less color in the front of the brows to create that ombre look. It is a common misconception that eyebrow hair need to be shaved prior to tattooing, which is actually not true. We only clean the hairs that are growing around the shape that we created for the cleaner look that looks more sharp and defined. After hair grows back, client will need to maintain it by waxing, tweezing, or threading. During the second pass, most clients do not feel anything besides a little vibration on the skin. There shouldn't be no pain and no discomfort. After we complete the second or the third pass, we typically sit down the client so we can check the symmetry and adjust the shape slightly in case something is missing and we need to improve on it. Since this type of procedure is somewhat permanent, this step is very important. After we did some tweaking to the shape, make sure everything looks even, we are finishing up the eyebrows by placing more pigment into the missing spots. Most of the times, clients miss hair on top of the arches, on the tails, in the front of the brow. So those are the spots we are working on at the end. The actual tattooing part takes about 1 hour. Are you ready to see the results? Here you have it. Beautiful, soft, powder ombre brows. The moment of truth. Don't they look so good?
They're so good. Wow. These are even better than I could have imagined.
And you don't have to do it every day anymore. Now it's gonna take about 6 weeks, and this is what you see when the client came back for her touch-up. These are healed eyebrows, very soft, very natural. She did want to go darker the second time, so here you have it, the look after the touch-up. They will still lighten up as they peel and gonna get about 30% softer. If this video was helpful for you guys, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and also comment what kind of video would you like to see next time.